G'day folks, today we're going to take a closer look at the Bluetooth remote for the FeiyuTech gimbals. Now the nice thing about their Bluetooth remote is that it is compatible with many of their gimbals. So in front of me here I've got the G5 and I've got the WG2, and it is compatible with this Bluetooth remote. So it's kind of nice, you just have to buy one remote and you can control them all. Now the question some of you may be asking in your head already is, why would you want a Bluetooth remote for your gimbal? And for the most part, you don't. If you're using this as a handheld gimbal, you don't need it because your controls are right there. Now there are a couple scenarios where having a Bluetooth remote for your gimbal comes in really handy. For example, if you have this mounted on top of a helmet or say on top of a vehicle, you're doing some filming while you're driving. The camera and the gimbal are not really accessible, so if you want to change the view, change any settings, you got to stop. Take your helmet off or get out of the vehicle, change the way the camera's angled. So, quick scenario here, we have this mounted on the hood of our car and we're doing some filming, but now we want to point it at us to get some back view or of us driving. All we have to do is hit this button here, and as you can see, it will do a 180, let go, and it comes back. So that's really handy. On top of that, it has the joystick on it as well, so we can change the angle on the fly. We can put it to a different angle just by hitting the button there. And you can go into the FeiyuTech app and change the speed at which it transitions. So if that's going too slow or even too fast for you, you can easily change that via the app. Or another situation, like I said, if you have this on top of a helmet and you're doing some cycling and you just want to change the viewpoint, maybe have the camera pointing up a little higher or lower, you can easily do that just by using the joystick. So you can control pretty well all the settings that you can with the buttons on the unit, just with the buttons that are on the remote here. A double tap on the middle button, mode button there, resets it back to default. Now personally, I found the instructions that came with the remote on how to pair them initially and how to switch back and forth a little bit confusing, and they didn't quite make sense. But let's turn this one off here. So you can see here how this light is now solid blue. So that indicates that it's not communicating with any of the gimbals. So I'm going to power the remote off by holding that middle button down until it turns red. Whoops, and then you can let go. So to connect them, it says to raise the joystick up and then power it on. And it's supposed to turn blue. But as you can see there, it won't control anything. So as you've seen there, once I touched a few buttons on here, then it connects. So it's a little confusing. It doesn't really give you some really clear instructions in the manual. Now you'll know it's connected when this will flash green. It'll be blue, flashing blue, then green. Then you know that there's communication. And now you can see there that it's moving the camera. So for me, the reason I picked this up, it's not a lot of money, but I have a project coming up that I have to work on where I need to be able to change the angle of my GoPro remotely. I can't be around it. I'm going to be about 30 feet away from it. So this way I can change the angle and get the shots that I want. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use to do the project, if I'm going to use the G5 or the WG2. I'm going to do some more tests with them to see which one I find is the best for getting the different angles. I'm kind of leaning towards the WG2 just for the fact that I can flip it right around if I need, which I don't think I need to, but I have that option if I do. So yeah, folks, that's basically it for my video on the Bluetooth remote for the FeiyuTech gimbals. Like I said, it's compatible with many different gimbals. I'll include my affiliate link for Amazon down in the description. You can go and check it out further. Now, if you do purchase through my affiliate link, I do get a commission off that, but it doesn't cost you anything more. So if you do purchase it through my affiliate link, I really appreciate it. It helps me continue with my channel, reviewing gear and different things. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. Maybe you've had your eye on the remote and didn't know what all it could do or if it was going to be useful for you or not. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.